All right, my bros. Yoosh. We're over here. Guess what we're unboxing today? Alright folks, we're back with the, this is a second cookout with the WSM conversion I did from the Jumbo Joe. Got some tiger sauce, just picked up from Walmart, ordered it online, free shipping. Got the smoker up and running again, gonna do some spare ribs today. Alright, so we're getting pretty close to 180 already, and it's 3:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I started the ribs at 2:15, so we're almost an hour in. Pull them back. These are spare ribs. Fire's still going nice. I haven't even stoked the fire or done anything to it, but I got everything closed down now. Just gonna keep spritzing. Oh, and I haven't turned, obviously, haven't turned the ribs over. I just leave them on one side. So that's how we're looking on the underside. I'm gonna close her up. We'll be back. All right, let's see how we're looking. Okay, too bad. Oh yeah, those are done. I love to just see them. See that? How they just sizzle. See those bones? Nice and tender. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna turn them over just for a couple seconds. For a couple, maybe like 30 seconds like that. Show you what I got going over here again. Brown sugar. Using that tiger sauce, I already tried it. It's nice, has a nice spice to it. So I'm gonna pour a little bit of that over the brown sugar. And when I put the ribs on right now, you're gonna see that turns that on. So basically I have them drowning in COCA-COLA, tiger sauce, and brown sugar, and then spritz of pineapple juice. Yeah. All right, we're gonna close up. All right, we're back with the spare ribs. They look real nice. So these are the tiger sauce spare ribs. I really like this sauce. I want to see what my buddies are saying about it out there on YouTube. Look at those tend to fall off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Right on point. Heat from the look at that. Falls right off. Alright folks, that's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Get yourself some of that tiger sauce. Try it out.